You don't need to pay for scan apps. With iOS 26, your mobile phone already has a perfect setup, all on your phone, in one app, Preview app, and you have it for free. Receipts, contracts, forms, medical papers, scanned, cleared up, and saved as a searchable PDF in seconds. This is the feature that I personally love the most. Not background removal, not document signing, scanning. Because paperwork doesn't wait till you're at home and ready to scan. Life is happening in real time. In iOS 26, scanning lives directly inside the Preview app. No notes, no files, no other workarounds. Just open Preview and tap Scan. The camera automatically detects the document, straightens it, fixes perspective, and captures it without you pressing anything. Of course, if you want, you can use your fingers and decide when to make a picture and how to scale the image. This works for receipts, letters, even folders or slightly messy pages. What really replaces a scanner is multi-page capture. You can scan an entire document page by page, and Preview turns it into a single, clean PDF, exactly like a real scanner would. This isn't just an image. The text is live. You can tap and hold to copy it, search inside the document, or reuse it anywhere else. That alone makes this more powerful than many physical scanners. Once scanned, you can highlight text, add notes, lock the PDF with a password, or share it securely. Everything stays in one place, no exporting, no extra apps. This changes how you deal with paperwork. No waiting on equipment, no subscriptions. Your home becomes your scanner whenever you are. For everyday documents, papers, forms, contracts, this is the most reliable app I've ever used, and that's already on your phone for free. If this video was useful, give it a like so more people can see it. Thank you. Bye.